Hey folks, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Captain James Nelson here with another demo. I am demoing the neck. I did not make the body. So check it out. It is pretty, but check out this one. So what we've got is, well, all the details are over here in the description. But what is cool, this is basically a bass 6. We set it up a little differently, going more towards, from basic kind of towards baritone, but still keeping a lot of that real 30-inch plus scale thing going. So yeah, it's low. All right, so let's give you a little sound demo and get it done before the compressor turns back on. This is just fret and finger exercise, not necessarily music. Also, we put in the really funky electronics that you get to go with these P rails. So there's a lot of different wiring configurations. You can't just wire them like regular humbuckers if you want, but you're not going to get the most out of them until you do this real funky cross wiring thing that they do. If you have real questions of what I'm talking about, check out the Seymour Duncan website. I'll put a link below and you'll get to see what I'm talking about as far as the wiring on this. Another great demo video of this wiring is Heavy Tones, Gary Ebner's site. I'll leave a link to that too. He does a really good demo. And he can play guitar. What's it sound like with scrunch, James? Let's give me some scrunch. Need more scrunch? What do you think, Sean? Think it works? I'll talk to you soon, buddy. All right, thanks again, folks, for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Please, let's help this site grow. Grow, grow, grow. Please click like and subscribe.